Hello everyone. We are going to be replacing the screen on this iPhone 8 today. Let's go ahead and power off the device. First thing we're going to do is take the two Pentelobe screws off from the bottom. Get our jimmy, go in from the side, go to the other side. Now these screws are different sizes. Make sure you put them in order so you put them back into where they belong. The ones for the camera flex are pretty much the same size. You don't have to worry about mixing those up. Go ahead and remove the bracket. Disconnect the battery. Release the screens. Okay, we're going to start by removing these screws. We're missing one here, it's not important. So these screws are all different sizes. Put them in order again. Go ahead and remove your bracket. Remove the earpiece speaker. There's 3 screws on this side, 3 screws on this side. They are all the same size. You don't have to worry about putting them in order. But that is a tri-tip screwdriver. I'm going to remove the home button bracket. Oop. Let's go ahead and remove this plate. Gently go under the flex, and when I mean under this flex right here, you gently go in. It has adhesive on it, so don't put too much pressure and just gently pry up. Disconnect the home button. Dip your spudger into some alcohol and very gently go to the bottom. That's it. Get our new screen. First thing we're going to do with the new screen is put the home button on. Sure it's lined up. Lift the connector, tuck the home button underneath. Connect it. Then we line up this flex, put the plate back on. Put the 3 screws on this side. and the other 3 on the other side. Get your home button bracket. Now you don't have to go too tight with these screws. The second you feel some resistance, some tension, that's it, you're good. You don't have to go any tighter. It's not going to go anywhere. Remove this film. Line up your front camera ear speaker flex. Put in spot, get your earpiece speaker. Put it in spot, get the bracket, put the bracket over it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is connect the front camera flex. It's easier to maneuver the screen when this is connected first. The little one is the home button flex. And then this one is the touch and LCD. Connect the battery. Test out the screen. Booted. We have touch. Home button's working. We're all set to go. Grab this bracket. Put the screw back on. Get the LCD battery plate, put it on. Remember, these screws are all different sizes. They need to go back to where they came out of. You can extremely damage the board, lose data, have an upset customer if you're a repair shop. Okay, start from the top. Line it up and that's it, goes right into place. Put your Pentelobe screws back on. And you're all done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more repair videos.